guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game, an LGBTQ plus edition of Pusuan or Laruan! Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous singles over here. And we'll also be bringing out some sexy singles one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magva-vibe kayo or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi kayo magmamatch, hindi nyo siya masyadong vibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Alright, here comes our first sexy single. Hi!
Hi po, hello.
Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Ram. I am 25 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo? What do you do for a living?
I work as social media, sales, and marketing.
Okay. And how about your hobbies? What do you like to do for fun?
Aside from work, I do online games. Tapos, I travel. So, I like hiking or anything outdoors.
Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical or personality?
With physical, wala naman akong any preference for physical. So, open ako for any
personality.
Yun. So, syempre, gusto ko, nakakatulong siya sa mental health ng bawat isa. Yeah.
Okay. And how about mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
For me, siguro, since meron akong issues with cheating sa mga previous, ayun na lang siguro, pag meron siyang history or meron siyang something na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan or something na pwedeng ma-describe or characterize as cheating.
Okay, yeah. So no to cheating.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloons. So the floor is yours. I'd like you to pop 2 balloons out of our lineup. Just based on what you're seeing right now.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Tinago.
Shucks.
Sorry.
So sorry.
No daw.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go over here. Hi, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm 30, 25 years old. And I used to be a business support executive. But right now, I am unemployed.
And bakit hindi ka agad nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi I don't want to judge a person who niya lang. Kasi I want to know more about him. Okay. And also, plus point in a way, kasi medyo he's giving me a femme vibe. I like femme vibe.
So type mo sana siya?
Yeah. Sayang naman.
Sorry na. Hindi, pero sa part mo naman, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Akala ko siya, 21. So,
age,
hindi ako
may age
sa lower age. Yan. So, mukha siyang bata. Sorry.
25 naman daw.
Sorry. Pwedeng ibalik. Joke lang. Okay na ako.
Okay,
sorry
alright.
po.
So, set ka na doon?
Yeah, set.
Okay. Okay, let's go over here.
Hi, my name is Kial Santos. I'm 20 years old and I work as a social media content moderator.
And ba't hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Yeah, kasi he mentioned that he's into online games and personally, I'm into online games then. So I thought we can play together.
Okay. Ng online games. Okay.
Kunin mo na lang yung Kunin mo na lang yung ID.
Okay. So mag-play pa rin kayo after. Okay, pero type mo naman sana siya.
Pwede na. I mean,
sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Okay. 50-50. Alright. Pero pwede na.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So baka gaming buddies, ganon.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sa part mo naman, bakit siya yung napili mong ipop?
Ayun, so he looks so young. Parang na-mention ko kanina, like, mukha siya talaga siyang bata. And compliment yon pero hindi ko lang siya preference for now.
So you want someone mas mature yung overall aesthetic, ganon. Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman. That's all.
Sorry.
It's okay. Let's play together
Yeah,
na
yeah.
lang
Kunin ko
later.
ID.
Okay.
So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So now it's time for you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
Are you guys into exclusive or inclusive dating? Kapag nag-match tayo, will you date another one kasabay ko?
Or exclusive na
exclusive
agad?
tayo?
I'm Vien, 28, and I work as a behavior therapist. Yes, so I like to focus on one person when I'm dating, so I prefer exclusive dating.
Hi, I'm Joven, and I'm a supervisor for a retail account. I'm 31, by the way. And to answer your question, I'm into exclusive dating kasi nakakatulig ng utak kapag marami kang kinakausap. Yan. So move on muna before, or clarify muna kung anong meron dun sa una. Then
Bago mag-move to another one.
Thank you po, Miss Marian.
Okay, I guess we're done.
I'm Art Stephen. I'm 31 as customer service. And to answer the question, I prefer exclusive kasi that's the first step eh. So, better to, pakitang gilas ka agad sa una pa lang. Tsaka tama siya. Mas nakakabaliw yung madami kang kausap.
Hello, I'm Mark. 23 years old, and I'm a student, a business owner, and a public official.
Okay. Nayabangan bigla. Hindi pwedeng mag-promote ng mga ginagawa. Okay, so ano namang answer mo sa question niya?
Siyempre, into exclusive. Kasi nga, siyempre, may mga constituents tayo na may iba't ibang, may mga loaded na tayo with our professions. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, siyempre, pag marami ka pang kausap, mas dumadami pa yung mga eksena. So, I prefer na isa lang, kasi at least, at the end of the day, siya lang yung uuwian mo.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Tony. I'm 26 and working as a verification analyst. I preferred also when it comes to dating, exclusive, because you need to focus on that certain person to know him or her better, and also to build up the relationship that if you really want to pursue that.
Hello, I'm James. I'm 33 years old and I am a research and development officer ng isang kilalang cake brand. Hindi ko na lang sabihin. As someone na 33 na, so I'm looking for longevity and yung mas exclusive kasi parang na tayo sa papasok ka na sa isang relationship. For me kasi as a person na lagi ko siyang tinitingnan na kapag nag-date ako siya na talaga yun. Parang gano'n.
Hi, I'm Phil. I'm 23 and I work in the BPO industry. So I prefer exclusive relationships. Kasi what's the point of a relationship kung we're just gonna date other people?
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to pop 2 balloons.
Yeah. And,
Alright, let's start over here. So, ba't di ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Hindi, kamukha niya yung boy best friend ko eh. Hindi, joke lang. Kaya ako siya hindi pin-up kasi nga, sabi niya, ang gusto niya is yung may pakailang with the mental health. I'm a mental health advocate at naranasan ko na rin dumating sa pagkakaroon ng anxiety attack, which is out until now, ino-overcome pa natin. Pero again, as a public officials, gumagawa tayo ng mga programa for a mental health na ilo-launch namin siguro sa amin with my, nag-promote, with my, siguro with my positions, nagagawa natin i-promote yung ating mental health, which is dapat na pinopokusan natin ngayon. So, yun lang.
Absolutely correct.
Swak sana dun sa isang
swak
bench mo
sana,
kanina. So, type mo sana siya?
Oo naman.
How about on your end? Ba't siya na-decide mo i-pop?
Ayun. Na-mention niya na student pa siya.
Okay.
Yun. So, open naman ako for a student. Pero yung ex ko kasi student.
Okay. So, ayaw mo na bumalik dun sa ganung experience?
Pero, tsaka, sayang din. Kasi naging factor ko na yung public official siya. Kasi, same as me. So, public official din ako sa city namin.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pwede ba maging partner?
Pwede daw maging
Ayun,
partner. And over here. So, ba't di ka nag-pop, nag-balloon mo agad?
Ako naman kasi as first, ang lagi kong tinitingnan is yung hindi not just physical appearance but kung paano ko siya, yung vibe namin sa kung i-check ko kung okay ba kami, whatever. Kaya I give him a chance to know pa.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya? And how about you? Bakit siya napili mong i-pop?
Ayan, so I like him. So parang mas okay siya kapag nagkaroon ako ng problem. Kasi ang ganda niya the way magsalita and ang ganda niya the way approach. So parang mas maganda siya kapag hihinga ng payo. So
hindi ba pwedeng in a romantic way? Like pag kayo na, tapos, babe, anong gagawin ko dito? Ganon.
Kasi siya, research analyst. So parang hihingi ako sa kanya ng
tungkol sa research. Okay, do you have any response to that?
Yun naman lagi din yun nasa babanggit din kasi ng mga friends ko that medyo nga talaga ako when it comes to
pero that's compliment ha. That's
yes,
compliment.
Of course.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Question. So what is your ideal partner? Like yung personality?
I think number one, I like someone who is secure of himself, someone who knows what he really wants. I don't mind dating someone who's not, someone who's different from me. I don't mind if we have different kinds of hobbies, but as long as he knows what he wants and he can share it with me passionately, I think I would enjoy dating that person.
Okay.
Hello po. For now, nothing complicated, but siguro yung na-appreciate yung humor ko. Kasi at the end of the day, lalo na struggling times rather. Pag kinamusta ko siya, tapos mapatawa ko siya kahit naging mahirap yung araw niya.
Aww.
Ayun. Thanks.
For me, someone's like can compromise na in a way of it's a give and take eh. So you can set something na parang ito dapat yung personality na hinahanap mo, but rather than you can adapt or adjust to the situation, I think that's more of someone that I'd look for.
Well, to answer that question, actually, as a child, I grew with I'm actually basing when it comes to dating, which is the characteristics of my father, which is really understanding and really took care of you. Because in the matter of time, if you really like to know that certain person, you'll just need to reciprocate that also. And also, that can further, do your, sasakyan yung jives mo, and then who will further support you and not really putting you in a closet. Okay. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Actually, I want someone kind and funny and tall din sana, pero medyo may height difference pero okay lang. And sasakyan yung humor ko, ganon. And hindi siya mahirap kasama sa labas, ganon.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to pop 2 balloons.
Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So, sino nauna? Okay. So, let's start over here. Okay, so, ba't mo biglang pinop yung balloon mo?
Sinabi ko na sa kanya. So, magpapop na yan ng balloon. So, parang iunahan ka na.
Na-feel mo kasing papunta na siya. So, biglang, okay.
So, instinct lang. So, yun.
Pero type mo sa siya?
Yeah. He's good looking, of course. No, that's okay. That's okay. And I don't mind. And we have preferences and standards. And that's it.
Understand.
And, well, tatanungin ko sana kung ba't siya yung pinop mo. Pero bakit papalapit ka na sa kanya? Siya ba talaga ipapop mo?
Yeah.
Okay, so anong reason mo dun?
Magaganda lahat ng questions nila. Okay. Parang nag-ranking na lang ako dun sa answers nila.
Okay.
Since ang sabi niya is to adapt, which is good din naman dun sa questions na meron ako. Yun, parang ni-rank ko lang
nag-rank lower lang siya.
Nag-rank lang ako dun sa answers nila.
Do you have any response to that?
In my defense, no, I don't. That's okay. I surrender.
Okay, and how about over here? So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon mo agad?
Actually, as everyone, just making chances and also to know him better, because actually I can relate on the introduction that he said that he's more in what do you call this? Yung mental health, which is I really experienced that on my previous company, which is it's not really giving me the kind of support and on how to build myself on or working on that a certain environment. So yeah, that's all.
Pero type mo sana siya?
Kinda.
Kinda. Okay. All right. And how about you? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Ayun. So aside dun sa nag-ranking ako, parang kapag nagsasalita siya, parang papakinggan mo talaga siya. Parang siyang next to...
So, ayaw mo?
Next to ano?
Next to
God. Na something na paniniwalaan mo so that parang makaklasify ko siya as a friend.
A friend. Okay.
Yun.
Okay. Hindi ko nakita na ganun direction mo pupunta yan. But okay, do you have any response to that? It's fine. Just accept na lang. Okay.
Pero he's cute.
Ang
Yeah.
cute naman sana. Oh.
Cute naman
Sure ka
sana.
na?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Baka mamaya. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Kung mag-first date tayo, saan tayo mag-first date? Or anong preferred nyo na date?
I like walking. So for a first date, my ideal would be going to a park, specifically around Makati. So there's Ayala Triangle or Salcedo Park. So I like walking around there and then probably stop at a coffee shop and, you know, really to just get to know the other person.
Check ko muna yung
Ano? Yung?
Check mo na yung budget.
Check mo yung budget.
Siguro what excites me now is going sa mga like Enchanted Kingdom, ganon. Or mga places na may arcade and activity centers na makapag-interact kami. Tapos mapapagod. Tapos magpapahinga. Ganon ba?
Naplano mo na lahat hanggang sa pagpahinga.
Well, as a person na new to the dating scene, I want you to choose either coffee date or movie date.
So decision niya. Okay. Thank you so much. Ay, gusto niya ngayon marinig agad
sige.
yung ano.
Movie date. Movie date.
Movie daw. At tara na daw.
Sige. Sarado na kasi ngayon.
Agad-agad. All right, we'll come back to you. Okay, so since we have 3 balloons, I'd like you to pop 1.
So since yung location ko po kasi ma'am is province, so I cannot go to Makati.
But we are in
Joke lang.
Makati.
Just for a walk sa Makati.
So
Pero
yun yung reason.
ang ganda nung kasi city vibes na
Gusto mo
naglalakad.
sana, kaya yung
Gusto ko sana
location.
yung location kasi sabi niya Makati eh.
Oh.
Kung sinabi niya sana anywhere,
Okay.
pwede.
Do you have any response to that?
Tagasang ka ba?
Sana sa Del Monte, Bulacan.
Type mo naman sana siya.
Well, yeah, he looks pleasing naman. So if given a chance, I would like to get to know him.
Oh, sure ka na talaga doon?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so right now we have 2 balloons left. So sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung match ka ba talaga for them or not.
Okay, so conventional na yung anong sasabihin mo sa childhood self mo. So siguro ang question ko ngayon, ano yung hindi mo sasabihin sa childhood self mo? Kasi baka mahirapan siyang tanggapin or maapektuhan yung mga magiging decision niya sa buhay.
Ako siguro yung babalaan ko siya sa mga steps niya kasi sa ngayon sa future ko parang I'm happy kung ano yung narating ko, ano yung na-achieve ko. So hindi ko siya babalaan. So parang
No regrets.
no regrets. Sasabihin ko lang sa kanya na enjoy niya yung journey na kakaharapin or challenges na kakaharapin niya kasi sasabihin ko lang sa kanya na magiging proud siya sa sarili niya. Something like that.
Oh.
So, let's be practical. So, you mentioned na you're from San Jose, Bulacan. I'm from Cubao. Are you willing to travel at least once a week para magkita tayo?
Yes.
Okay.
Fun fact, dati yung work ko is sa Pasig. So, from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan to Pasig. So, okay.
So kaya mo Pasig pero hindi Makati. Wait.
For a walk. For a walk.
Okay, for a walk.
Sorry.
Okay, all right. So, based on those questions, since wala sa kanila nag-pop, it's your turn to choose 1 balloon
I'm so
to pop.
sorry.
All right, let's go over here. Oh! Akala ko okay lang. So, ba't hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, he has expressive eyes, physical eyes. Saka gusto ko yung kilay niya. And siya, parang malambing siyang tao. Yan lang. But thank you.
And ba't siya na-decide mo i-pop?
Parang yun din, nag-ranking na lang ako sa kanilang dalawa just to have a choice.
Okay.
So,
Mas nagustuhan mo yung answer niya or yung question niya?
So, pero ang ganda nung question niya kasi tricky question siya when it comes to mental. So, pero ayun lang, nag-rank na lang ako sa kanila.
Well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. Woo! Okay. So, meron pa ba kayong final questions for each other? How about from you?
What games do you play?
What games daw? What online games do you play?
Mobile Legends and COD.
Okay. All right. So, hindi naman red flag. Okay. Okay. Baka mamaya, nung pa magkatalo sa games. Okay. How about from your end? Meron ka pa bang mga final questions?
Wala.
All right. So, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay! We have a pusuan match! Please take each other's hand and go off into the sunset together. Enjoy! Congratulations! Oh, sabi ko, take each other's hand lang. Okay, pati naman. Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single. Hi!
Hello, hello.
Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Manuel. I'm 27 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo or what do you do for a living?
I am an IT professional, so computer.
Okay, and ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Hobbies, definitely number one, free diving. That's why I'm so dark right now. Then number two, I have this small karaoke box at home.
Okay.
So, ayun, pag wala akong ginagawa, kanta-kanta lang ako sa bahay.
Okay. May pasample dito bigla sa lineup. Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical?
Physical, height lang, like someone not 4 inches smaller or taller than me. So,
Ano ko 4 inches? Okay.
Yung 5'5", 262. So yun. Tapos, other aspects, someone who is family-oriented and someone who is very considerate.
Okay. Yeah. And how about with deal breakers? Ano mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
One lang. We have to have the same political stand.
Okay.
Ayun, kapag magkaiba, matic pass.
Okay. All right. So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry.
It's okay. So let's go over here. Pwede pala yun. May... Okay. So what's your name? How old are you? And what do you do for a living?
I'm Joven, 31 years old, and I'm a supervisor for a retail company.
Ba't hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Yung mata kasi, palaging yung una ko napapansin. Kahit na mata niya. Ayun lang.
So type mo sana siya.
Arte pa ba ako?
Pwede naman may preferences, gano'n. And how about on your end? Ba't siya napili mong i-pop?
Ayun, I just couldn't see myself having a romantic. Pero parang alam mo yung, ikaw yung gusto ko na makasama araw-araw but not romantically. Parang you give so much good vibes.
Okay.
Ayun.
So hindi lang in a romantic way.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any response to... Okay, thank you. Okay. All right, thank you. Next.
I'm Art Stephen. I'm 31 and I work as a customer service representative and yeah.
Okay. So, ba't hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
I didn't pop because I really find him good looking. At
Thank
first, yeah, I saw you.
At first?
At the
Okay.
comfort room, yeah. I saw him. Yan. There.
Type mo sana siya.
Of course. Ito pa ba?
Okay, and sa part mo naman, ba't siya napili mong i-pop?
Ayun, same. Yung parang they're so light, they're so cool.
Pero in a friendship way.
Sayang, gusto pa naman sana marunong
Gusto mo na... Nasa list mo ba yun? Marunong lumangoy?
We can dive Gusto mo mag-dive?
Pwede pa rin naman daw.
Ay, wag no na. Ayoko na mag...
Nagtampo. Kahit as friends, ayaw mo mag-dive. Tuturuan ka na daw.
We can.
Okay.
I'm open to explore, even though I don't know how to swim, and that's okay with
It's okay. A lot of free divers can swim, but they learn free diving pa rin.
Update mo kami dyan pag natuloy kayo. Okay, so right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
Okay, what's your number one giving love language?
Love language.
Hi, I'm Vien, 28, and I work as a behavior therapist. And my giving love language, and I guess also my receiving love language is quality time. So doesn't have to be on an expensive date. It could just be hanging out at home, at park, or maybe just at the coffee shop or somewhere that my partner and I can spend some time together.
Hello, I'm Mark. I'm 23 years old and I'm a working student and a public official. So, syempre, sinagot ko na, no?
Go ahead.
Yung love language ko is yung quality time because, ayun nga, sabi ko, mandami kong ginagawa every day. So, yun, kapag syempre may quality time kayo with each other, mas doon lumalabas yung love na hinahanap natin. So, yun na.
All right.
Tony, 26, working as a verification analyst. Siguro to answer his question, giving love language, also my receiving is same as them, quality time, because actually in like working as a verification analyst, you're like in an 8-hour shift, and also siguro masasabi kong like pahinga ko, which is being with someone or being with that someone that I gonna pursue or date, to have that quality time to spend it more siguro like let's say not really like go out or some just chill vibes, like hanging out in cafes or like walking down the streets, getting some information or getting to know his day. Yeah. That's all.
Hi, I'm 30. I'm 25 years old. I used to be a business support executive in an industrial company, but right now I'm unemployed because I'm resting. I think quality time is given na yun. It's like parang bare minimum na you deserve. So I would definitely give quality time talaga. But I think pinaka top one ko na giving love language is physical touch. Not mainly parang more of like a sensual way, but it's like parang kahit katabi mo lang ako, it's like it means na parang I'm here. Even if you don't wanna talk, it's like parang I'm giving you my presence. So if you wanna talk, I'm here. Parang ganun lang.
Hi, my name is Kial Santos. I'm 20 years old and I've been working as a social media content moderator. And for me, the best love language to offer is quality time talaga. Why? Because your partner is your responsibility. It means na you have to put them on your priority, right? So it means you have to put effort from them. When I say effort or quality time, it's not expensive naman or hindi naman siya yung mga fancy na you're going outside to eat. It could be just a simple, like for example, coffee date or walking around the park, ganon. So that's enough. At least magkaroon kayo ng time to each other and to know more each other talaga.
All right.
Yes.
Hello, I'm James, 33, and I'm working as a research and development officer sa isang cake brand again.
And your love language?
My love language would be quality time din. Kasi ako, as a person na outgoer din, kasi sabi nga din niya, nagda-dive din siya. So ako din, nagda-dive din, nag-hiking din ako. I used to, hindi naman travel pero in a while, basta ako outgoing ako. So, I just wanted to have a quality time with doing that kind of activity so that we can have memories or anything else that we can cherish.
Okay, so based on those answers...
Ang hirap naman nun kasi parang gusto mo yung patalikotin ako naglaan.
Oo, gusto ko ganun talaga.
I like quality time pero yung receiving ko talaga is number one is acts of service.
Acts of service.
Mahina ako sa service. Yung best friend ko, pinagbabalat ako ng hipon. I was like, ganun yung gusto ko.
Yun sana yung hanap mo.
As a bunso, di ba? So, it's gonna be really hard. So,
Ay, grabe.
Sorry.
And one more.
Sorry.
Alright, so let's start over here. Ba't di ka nagpapagad ng balloon mo?
Because he looks good. And then he mentioned that he's a free diver. Sayang, sisi dates. I'm a scuba diver. Yeah, so would have been nice because it's kind of hard to find someone who share the same interests. But yeah, that's fine.
Alright. So, ba't siya napili mo i-pop or ini-mini-mini mo lang talaga?
Sisihin mo si Justin Bieber. Ayun, dahil lang talaga doon. Kasi equally, okay yung explanation nila and quality time and ayun. So, it's just the...
Sayang scuba diver pa naman.
I didn't know.
Okay, alright. So, let's go over here. Hi. So, ba't di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Actually, because he mentioned earlier, he's like free diving, right? Diving. Sorry,
Kami yan.
Yun, basta yun. And then, he's like music inclined. He says his pastime is singing. Just to tell you honestly, my family is music inclined. And I'm living in Negros Occidental, actually. I've been just here last 2022. So I like to swim. And actually last May, I tried to do surfing. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, and he looks good actually.
So music and swimming sana. You could have bonded over that. Okay. How about on your end? Ba't naman siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Ini-mini mo lang.
Kasi naman yung tuloy.
Ang hirap kasi pare-pareha sila ng sagot and
Okay.
lahat. Kumbaga wala ng physical appearance yung sagot na talaga yung pinagbasihan ko. So, ang hirap.
Do you have any response to that or?
And to add up, I'm the eldest one on my siblings.
Oh, gusto ko pa naman elder.
Perfect sana.
Yeah.
Okay, pero set na tayo doon or what? Eldest din daw siya. Just throwing it out there. Random lang. Ano yun?
At saka I think para tayo ng political views.
All right. Well, we'll see about that. We'll see about that. Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Siguro, what are your long-term plans sa life? With or without partner?
So, hello. So, I'm a fourth year graduating student. So, after this, I'm going to have my plans to pursue the masteral para i-pursue ko din yung una kong course which is yung education to teach in college. At syempre, yung professions ko bilang public officials from being an SK. So, itataas pa natin siya para at least yung advocacy natin is madadala natin hanggang pag-angat natin. Kasi ang youth ngayon actually is very apolitical. Hindi sila masyadong, yung social awareness nila is mababa. So at least we use that avenue kung meron mang pagkakataon to use that para at least maging aware pa sila. Mas okay na nai-involve sila with the governance. At least matetest yung ating mga public officials na maging accountable sa kanilang ginagawa. So yun lang and I thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Since I'm unemployed right now, so maybe after December, though I'm submitting applications na, I want to work again. Kasi, and then also, I want to shift the career kasi. So being in the corporate world, sometimes it's like a torture. I want to enroll then sa fashion school. So yun yung main goal ko. More than anything is to reach my goal, which is to be in the field of arts. And then also, more on talaga siya, reaching my goals for 2025 or for the future.
Yes, so my long-term goal talaga personally is to have my own business in the future. At the age of 18, actually, I had my first job. I started to work in the BPO industry because I wanted to discover the corporate world. So now I am planning that I am not into this kind of job. I am into for more on business, being the boss. Moreover, I also wanted to become an advocate for those children with special needs because I'm a working student and I'm studying Bachelor of Science in Occupational Therapy. And as an occupational therapy, I see the situations of those children who had special needs, and unfortunately, they have lack of access talaga, especially free occupational therapists. So I would like to raise this campaign or advocacy para mabigyan pa sila ng exposure sa society natin. Yes, thank you.
Hello, my answer naman, yung long-term plan ko with or without partner is, since ako nga ay, hindi naman sa so narinig ko lang sa na eldest yung mo din. So I'm the eldest of the family din. So parang ako as the eldest, and hindi naman kami masyadong nire-required ng parents namin na mag-support sa kanila or anything. But gusto ko, mapasyal ko yung mga parents ko, especially now na senior na sila. So madala ko sila or mabigay ko yung mga simpleng bagay na ginagawa ng anak sa parents niya. Yan lang. With or without a partner, yun yung pinakang long goal ko talaga.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Sorry.
Okay, let's start over here. So, ba't di ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Wala lang.
Okay.
I mean, sabi niya nga is, nagustuhan ko na very aware siya na nangyayari sa political kasi sabi niya kapag di daw sila parehas ng political stand is ayaw niya. So at least, di ba, meron tayong mga katulad niya na may paki pa rin sa politics. So yun lang, kaya hindi ko siya pinapagad.
Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Oo naman, kasi nga traveler din siya. Traveler din naman din ako. So yun. Yun lang.
And how about in your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
I wanted to ask that question to hear your long-term goals sa'yo personally. Kaso parang narinig ko is plataforma yung binigay mo sa akin. So, I was
just... Yun talagang goal niya?
No, like, something I can relate to sana. Although I'm very political too and I'm happy for your goal. Pero yun nga, parang nagtunog plataforma kasi yung narinig ko. Yun.
Do you have any response to that?
Siyempre naman. So siguro dahil naging student leader na ako nung high school pa. At syempre may mga advocacy tayong dinadala. Hindi naman natin siya may iwan basta-basta. We have our personal life na talagang sabi ko inuna ko yun kasi nga syempre gusto ko rin magturo at i-share yung aking experience. Pero hindi pa rin mawawala yung advocacy mo na makatulong. Kasi at the end of the day, pag nakatulong ka, is yun yung parang fulfilling sa'yo na yung inyong pagbabalik serbisyo mo. Kasi nga syempre, yung government natin nagpapatakbo, which is ako, nagtaaral with the public schools. So syempre, ang pagpabalik natin sa community is mahalaga. So hindi siya, siguro hindi natin siya masasabi na very sinusugarcoat natin or siguro masyado nating nakikita as plataforma pero at least we have an advocacy as individual para maipakita. So yun lamang po.
So parang yung platform mo and yung personal goal mo kasi parang shared thing yun. Okay.
Love that for you.
Love that for you.
And for me. For me.
And for me. And how about over here? Hi. So ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Based kasi dun sa intro niya, I want din someone na parang can stand on his own opinion. Parang ganun. So parang medyo, okay, I wanna know him more. Pero actually, nung nag-ini-mini na lang siya, medyo gusto ko na i-pop kasi parang hindi siya makadecide.
Is that a red flag for you?
Yes,
or?
in a way. Pero parang kasi, I wanna give chance din. Medyo gusto ko kasi yung open ka sa political views mo.
Cool.
And how about in your end? Ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Siguro yung keyword is yung career shift. Ayun,
Okay.
yung I want someone na sure na sa kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Ayun. Kasi I feel like kapag hindi ka pa sigurado sa kung anong ginagawa mo, like nag-iiba-iba pa yung priorities mo. So yun.
Do you have any response to that?
Clarify ka lang, I'm really sure kung ano yung gusto ko. Kaya sinabi ko na more than anything, I really want to study again. Kaya ako nag-shift ng career because I want to study and I want to be a fashion designer. So I'm really sure na yun yung gusto ko.
Yeah. I think you'll do well in that area. Yeah.
Yes,
Love this.
I love it.
I love this.
All right, okay. Okay, so we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo to see kung okay ka ba na match for them. So let's start with you. Anong question mo for our sexy single?
My question for you is, are you ready to be a boyfriend and a best friend? Kasi may personally talaga,
Yun ang hanap.
yes, a boyfriend and a best friend. It means it's not just about romantic. It's about hanging out as a best friend as well. So it means na parang, you have a best friend naman before, diba? And yung fun talaga with your best friend, it's so fun talaga. Yung adrenaline rush, lahat talaga, it's so fun. And yet, mababalance mo yun with romantic love for being a boyfriend. Yes, that's my question.
Without hesitation, yes. Because that's exactly what I'm looking for too. Boyfriend and a
okay.
best friend at the same time.
And over here, anong question mo for our sexy single?
So, nakapagtanong na sila ng mga seryoso at ganun din naman yung tanong niya. Sobrang seryoso. So ngayon, medyo ibaguhin natin. Enlighten ko na lang. Since you are a free diver, gaano kakalalim sumisid?
Okay!
Oh my God. My personal best, 18 meters. So that's like, I don't know, 70 feet, 75, I don't know. Pero yun, 18 meters.
May follow-up ka ba doon?
Yes, ang galing mo kasi ako hanggang 10 lang.
Maybe you can reach the next, 8?
Pero 10, malalim na yun
Yes, pero pagdating kasi ng 12, di na kinakaya nung ba? Ang ano na yun, parang angat na ako.
Yeah, okay.
Pero ang galing mo.
Thanks.
Alright, so since walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, I'm gonna leave it up to you. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Sorry.
Alright, let's go over here. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Kasi unang-una, siya yung mga typical na hinahanap ko. Like, tall, chinito. Kulang na lang yung salamin.
So, pwede namang suotan sana.
But it's okay.
You know,
How about you? Ba't siya?
fun fact, astigmatism ko parang 300, 350 na.
Oh, so, nag-glasses ka talaga.
Oo, pero ayoko lang kasi uncomfy ako.
Okay.
Ayun.
So, ba't siya yung pinap mo? Dahil ba kulang sa, sa pagsisid? Or
Gusto ko
yun ba
yung mas
naging
malakas
deal
sa
breaker?
akin.
Ay, wow.
Ayun. Hindi naman. Siguro, it's just a matter of like, yung answers lang siguro nung mga nakaraang questions na parang, ayun nga, mas deeper yung nakuha kong answer sa Africa.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
No. It's okay. Yeah.
Good luck.
Well, thank you so much. Okay, so we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. All right. So, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about you? Ikaw wala. Ikaw?
Tawag dito. Strict po ba yung parents mo sa'yo? 20 ka lang, di ba?
Yes, actually, I'm living independently na.
Oh,
yes.
Love that for you.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so no more final questions. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes, actually, when I saw the group of masculine guys, he's the cutest talaga nung nakita ko. So sabi ko, ayun.
So naay mo na siya.
Yes.
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
Oh, okay! We have a pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand and... Aww! Okay, you can go ahead.
Thank you.
Into your happily ever after. Here comes our next sexy single! Woo! Hi!
Hi, hello.
Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Juno. I'm 33.
Okay. And anong job mo? Or what do you do for a living?
I'm the head of corporate relations department in our company, software development company.
Okay. And what do you like to do for fun? Or anong hobbies mo?
If I have time, I make sure that I give time to my free diving hobby.
Okay.
So actually, by the end of this month, I'm gonna be going to Palawan to do free diving.
Okay. So how about sa ideal partner? Anong hanap mo? Physical or personality?
Physical, it's not really that important. I'm not saying na hindi siya factor. I'm just saying it's not really important. The important thing for me is someone who knows how to communicate. Because yung department that I'm handling is about communication. Communication is my prowess. And I always believe that communication can always resolve almost anything and everything.
So yun din hanap mo sa isang partner.
Yes.
Okay. And how about mga deal breakers or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Yeah, someone who doesn't know how to communicate.
Okay.
Kasi it makes me feel na unvalued eh.
Okay, so communication is key talaga with you.
Yes, I'm not saying naman na bawat minuto, bawat oras mag-uusap tayo or whatnot. Importante sa akin na paggising ko sa umaga, kahit a simple message from you, and then bago tayo matulog sa gabi, we talk about how your day was, how my day was.
All right. Okay.
Masaya na ako doon.
Oh, okay. All right. So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. The floor is yours to choose 2 balloons to pop. All right. Let's start over here. Hi. So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Art Stephen. I'm 31 and I'm working in a BPO.
Eh, ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Yeah, same din with like the interest of free diving. I used to go to beach and but I don't know how to swim, but I love to. That's the cliche thing there.
You don't know how to swim, but you would love to swim.
Yes.
Okay.
You find it interesting, right? But that's something that I'm frustrated kasi I don't know how to swim like kahit mag-float.
Okay.
Pero I enjoy it like kahit magtatampisaw ka lang. Actually, I have a scheduled Jumalig this coming January. So, yeah.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, and how about from your end? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Kasi I already have a very strong personality. Always people always mistake me as masungit.
Okay.
And yung mukha akong matara or whatnot. So I want someone who will contrast it. Nung nakita ko kasi siya, parang mas masungit pa siya sa akin. Eh.
Ganun ba? Yung bang vibe niya for you?
Yeah, ganun yung vibe na.
Magde-defend daw siya. Ano?
In my defense, maybe my personality is strong, but maybe it's just like a facade that maybe it's like my defense mechanism. Because I don't want to be like, in our community, if you're soft, you're being judged right away that, So that's just my, my wall. But if you're going to break it, then I'm willing naman to break it, but not this time.
For the right person for you. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, okay. Later. So, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Hi, I'm 30, 25 years old. I used to be a business support executive, but right now I'm unemployed.
Okay. So, ba't di ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Again, ayoko kasi na mag-pop lang. I wanna know more, like parang what runs in your mind, especially yung kung ano din yung want mo as a person. But at first glance kanina, I know now we will not vibe. Like for me kasi, if not femme like me, I want a guy na he's like more into fashion also. Kasi I want like kapag nag-date kami, slay kami together. So parang feeling ko hindi talaga kami magva-vibe. Pero I wanna know lang din kung what runs in his mind.
And how about from your end? Ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
He looks too young for me. So baka pag magkasama kami...
Baby face lang daw.
Baka magkasama kami.
Okay.
Isipin talaga ng mga tao, titong-tito na talaga.
Ganun ba? Parang di naman. Okay, pero yun yung reason mo.
Yes.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
It's just the jeans. Sorry. You love that for me though. Baby face.
Okay, so I heard a pop balloon over here.
Hello, I'm Mark and I'm 22 years old and I'm a working student.
Okay. Eh, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Hindi kasi sabi niya is gusto niya doon sa strong personality niya is nagko-contrast. Strong din yung personality ko. Baka kasi hindi kami mag-meet halfway. So baka pag medyo mataas yung emotions namin, mataas parehas kami masaya, baka hindi kami magkasundo, baka ang ending nun is hindi na lang talaga magtagpo, di ba?
Baka mag-clash kayo in that way. And how about for you? Do you agree with that?
I beg to disagree. It's not that I'm invalidating what you said, pero if we really want something to work, we will work it together as a team. Right? Kasi it takes two to tango eh. Hindi naman pwedeng ako lang or ikaw lang, di ba? So, sensitive din naman ako kung ano yung magiging mararamdaman mo or may isip mo. I'm not gonna be invalidating anything. But again, it's gonna be the two of us. Eh.
Pero feeling mo ba magva-vibe kayo? Or...
Well, yeah, why not?
Okay. Alright. But set ka na dun sa decision mo? Nang aga.
Sabi niya daw kasi, di ba? Kaya daw mag-adjust. Hindi, joke.
Akala ko, biglang. Okay, so set ka na. Marami pang balon dyan. Gusto mo ba?
Hindi, sige, okay na.
Okay. So, right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So, I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your decision.
I actually have two questions. One is actually the follow-up.
Okay.
And then the second question is the main question. So, the first question, what do you do right now? And the second question is, how do you see yourself 3 years from now in that specific specific post that you're currently in right now?
Hi, I'm Vien, 28 years old, and I work as a behavior therapist. And I guess my goal for like the next 3 years would be, well, to stay at my job, and at the same, actually right now I'm also looking for some part-time jobs to work in the university because I finished my master's degree last year, so I want to do maybe research or teach. And then I'm actually engaged with a lot of things. I got my certification for yoga, so I've been covering for other teachers. So hopefully by next year or the coming year, I'd have more regular classes that I can do.
My name is Joven. I'm 31 and I'm a retail account supervisor. I see myself waiting 3 years. Nanonood kasi yung boss ko.
Bakit? Secret natin.
Right now kasi, recently, nag-pilot kami ng bagong department and I was part of the pilot team. So, in the next 3 years, I see myself as one of the individuals who helped that department to be established and give more opportunities to Filipino workers. Siguro in the next 3 years pa ulit, potential promotion.
Parinig sa boss niya.
Hi, I'm Tony, 26, working as a verification analyst. So to answer that question, I'm gonna see myself after like 3 years. Siguro for the first year, which is gonna maintain my current job as a verification analyst, which is because I'm actually like preparing myself to go back to my professional. On the professional one that I have, which is I'm a licensed elementary teacher. Hindi lang halata. I'm just medyo ano lang. But yeah, because actually I'm missing a lot with my profession, missing teaching kids, missing those interactions with the kids, being facilitating and also giving or teaching them on how to like communicate or to learn more things, and also because actually it's the second one of my passion. Actually, first one is like as him, which is fashion designer, but literally I cannot really pursue that. So go with the second option, which is as a teacher, which is I really embraced that when I was in college, because actually it's not sinking in. But when I interact with the kids, and then because I do take my college on province, which is really a rural area, wherein kids has a lot of children there is does have not enough learnings. So I really like to bend that kind of thing, and also to give help or to teach them more.
Okay.
Hello, I'm James, 33 years old, and currently I'm a research and development officer sa isang sikat na cake brand. So right now, I currently na nag-work sa kanila for almost 11 years. So to answer your questions, 3 years from now, siguro maybe kasi nagsa-sideline din sideline. So, I do side hustle then as a financial advisor. So, yun, I'm planning to be a full-time na financial advisor as well, and to focus on content creator, mga ganun like that. Kasi alam naman natin that when it comes to private company or in a corporate world, sobrang stress na siya. Ayoko.
Hindi mo na kaya.
May work pa lang, sorry po.
Baka nanonood. Erase daw yun. Joke lang daw yun.
Nila yun, okay lang. Sorry.
You mentioned that you've been in the company for 11 years already. For that specific span of time that you were in the company, are you in the same position when you started up until now?
Hindi naman, kasi bago ako maging research and development officer, nag-spend muna ako ng 3 years as a quality assurance officer, and then nag-apply ako naman as a research and dev.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to pop 2 balloons. Okay, so let's go over here. So, ba't di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
I'd like to hear more sa kanya. And yung sinabi niya kanina na he's a kind of person na mimistook. So, parang gusto ko siyang mas maintindihan. To give him a chance din. Pero pinatok niya, so, well.
May patapo na gano'n. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Right now, not 100%. Pero I think yung attraction ko nag-grow naman not just physically, pero sa behaviors. So maybe I could work on that.
And how about on your end? Ba't siya yung napili mo ipop?
Because I don't see any. When he stated his answer, I just heard what he wanted, but he never mentioned anything about what are the things that he will do to achieve that. And then hindi gray area yung sagot niya. So,
do you have any response to that?
it's like he's
Pwede ko
unsure.
naman baguhin yung sagot ko.
Wala. One time lang daw. Touch move.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, let's go over here. So, ba't di ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Because actually, as he mentioned, he likes to have like communications with his like ideal partner or ideal date. Because actually, I wanna like learn more about that. Because actually, when it comes to dating or getting to know someone, it's like I'm kind of like a dead air when it comes to like topics or something communicating. So I want to like learn more a lot about on that certain area.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya na-decide mo i-pop?
Kasi when I heard his answer, it's like he's unsure. Ang dami niyang iniisip, ang dami niyang gustong mangyari na walang concrete plan kung ano ba talaga yung gusto niya. So because I'm the type of person na I'm sure of myself. Secured ako sa kung anong meron ako. And I'm the type of person that who knows what he wants. And who knows what he deserves. So I'm looking for someone who knows what they want.
Okay.
And who continuously working to achieve it.
Do you have any response to that?
Actually, and like defending myself, yes, I just want to go back and teaching on my being on my profession. That's all. The first thing that I love the most to work with, but it's fine. Yeah.
Carry lang. Okay, so right now we have 2 balloons left. So sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to see if you're a good match for them.
What makes you happy?
Okay, that's a good question.
Lalim na na.
Yeah.
Hinga niya.
What makes me happy, when I reach the age of 30, I learned to enjoy little things. Because I realized that when you turn 30, you tend to choose your battles. I just enjoy the little things, yung mga maliliit na bagay na before binabaliwala natin. Ngayon, I learned to appreciate things.
Okay. More specific daw, like what?
As simple as when the sun is shining. Diba? Yung natapos yung ulan, and then the sun is good weather, I tend to appreciate that.
Okay, and over here?
Dito na ulit ako doon sa questions ko na parang light lang din. So, may follow-up siya as well. So, nagmamatter ba sa'yo kung compatible yung horoscope ng partner mo or something?
No, I don't. Because sabi nga ni Sinaida Sepa, ang mga bituin ay gabay lamang.
So anong mo? Zodiac sign mo?
Virgo. September, Virgo.
Okay. Okay, ako kasi Aries ako. So parang nandun ako sa point, nung una mo ko na sinabi na parang someone na makakayanan kang tapatan when it comes to your pagiging, ano nga ba yun?
Strong personality.
Yung strong personality. So what? Sige. Okay.
So as an Aries, kayang-kaya?
Actually, Virgo kasi water sign, diba? So parang as an Aries, medyo kakayanin naman. Kasi kahit water sign siya. Water nga ba? Air pala. No, air. Air.
Earth daw.
Okay, sige. Sige, let me think about it first.
Okay, pag-usapan niya yung kung earth or air or ano bang affect.
Yung air, para tas inan mo sa fire, lalo silang sasabog or lalaki yung fire nila. Parang gano'n lang. But it's just a thought lang din.
Earth daw.
Earth ba? Akala ko air.
Earth daw.
I'm not sure. I don't know about anything.
As someone who doesn't know about horoscopes, parang sure na sure siya sa Earth.
Yeah.
Anong defense mo doon?
Kung Earth, mag-ignite din niya ba siya? I don't know. But I don't think so. Kaya ko lang naman kasi siya natanong. Fascinated kasi ako pagdating sa mga horoscope. Kasi lalo na especially pag sa akin sa Aries. Kasi lagi silang tugma ba dun sa mga kung anong sinasabi nila sa akin. Yun lang.
Okay, so out of these 2 singles, sinong ipapop mo? Bakit hindi ka nagpapagad ng balloon?
Kasi I just want to know pa better kung ano pa yung mga personalities niya or anything when it comes to outlook dun sa life niya. Since nasa same bracket kami na age, so parang at least ano ko naman siya na more mature in anything. Yun. So, ayun lang.
So, type mo naman sana?
Kinda. Ganun.
And how about on your end? Ba't siya napiling mo ipop?
Actually, when I saw him is okay. Bala ko nga na sana siya yung ihuli ko. Kaya lang, yung naging breaking point is yung horoscope because it's okay. I'm not gonna be stopping you to read horoscope or whatnot. Pero kasi ako naniniwala ako na it's not about what the star says. It's about us making our own lives.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Pa-consult na lang tayo with this time.
Okay, so we have one balloon left. So, please join us over here. All right. So, meron pa ba kayo mga final questions for each other?
I guess since you mentioned communication is a big part of conflict resolution and all, gaano ka ka-attune sa feelings mo and how do you express them?
In terms of feelings, as I mentioned earlier, I tend to choose my battles. So, yung mga mabibigat na feelings, yung sadness or yung anger, especially anger, I tend to think about it first. So, for example, na may ginawa kang mali ngayon sa akin or someone may ginawang mali sa akin and it hurt me, i-assess ko muna siya. I-assess ko muna siya, hihinga muna akong malalim. Kung hindi ko kayang daanin sa paghinga, lalabas ako, I'll buy an iced coffee, and then I'll just walk, hinga ng malalim, and then saka ko pag-iisipan na, worth it ba? Worth it ba na i-keep ko tong feelings na to? Worth it ba na i-keep ko tong pain na to? Or may mga bagay pa ba na mas mahalaga na dapat pagtuunan ko ng time ko?
And how about from your end? Meron ka pa bang question?
Kaya ako naging interested sa'yo is because first you look like Freddie. Freddie Mercury.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sample daw ng Freddie Mercury.
Yeah, I love
Do you
Freddie
get that
Mercury.
a lot or is this the first time?
This is the first time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
So yun nga, I
anyway.
love Freddie Mercury.
Okay.
And then you mentioned about behavioral therapy. So is there any chance that you can teach me anything about it? Maybe in the next time?
Yeah, the applications of behavior therapy it's not just for kids with disabilities, but also to everyone, actually. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na.
Okay! We have a pusuan match! Okay, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusuan or
Tuwing nag-iisa akong gustong makasama